Do you have cracks in your kitchen cabinets or drawers? Have no fear, the DIY merchant is here. Here's what you need to fix it. Scissors, screwdriver, scraper, filler, vinyl, and a blade. First, remove your kitchen drawer. Then unscrew the handles using the screwdriver. Top tip, screw the screws back into the handle to prevent losing them. Wipe down the surface of the drawer. Then apply some filler to the cracks. You can use your finger for this. After the filler has dried, use the scraper to scrape off the excess. Sand down the surface. Then wipe the surface so it's free from any dust. Now measure out the vinyl. Make sure you have some excess on the sides. Cut the vinyl to size. Peel the vinyl off its backing from the narrow side. Start laying the vinyl down on the face side of the drawer, starting from one end and working your way to the other by slowly pushing out the bubbles that are trapped inside. Then press down the vinyl on the sides of the drawers. For the corners, pull down firmly to prevent any creases from forming. You might want to use a hairdryer to help smoothen out the vinyl. After the vinyl has dried, use your blade to cut off the excess. Using the blade, puncture the vinyl for where the handle screws need to be. Push the screws through the vinyl holes from the other side to make the hole. Screw the handle back into the drawer. Finally, mount your drawer back. Now you have a drawer that looks like this. Thanks for watching the DIY Merchant. See you next time.